Good afternoon, dear tutor and classmates. My name is Joana Mercado Villegas. I am in my third semester of a trade in foreign languages with an emphasis in English. At this moment, it will answer the question. Well, what was Charlie's favorite subject in school? The subject I liked the least what and still is mathematics, and I could not understand it. The explanation that the teacher came when I meant to fight. Great guy milk algebra, mathematics, and statistics, which are the same grant of mathematics and which time the teacher will come and explain math. Taking will as out of the talents if they had learned the formula, which in my case I do not understand. Is explanation very well. I don't know answer I'm from there. It went to side graphs. Then the teacher put the class of Pythagoras and hypotenuse. For a moment it was fine because I understood participation in class book 1. The grade with me were shut and home. Or in class my mind went blank and I don't understand some moments what would say because the subject it was long was math and chat. This without the truth was I don't understand mathematics, and of course the time I understand it. I liked it last week. I was the subject I liked a lot so much that the teacher can I don't like way in my class under the final exam final kind and the with 20 questions was I don't answer correctly and I go to a very local grade week I almost marched to lose. The share but the teacher can with the opportunity to learn and study. To take the recovery time a kind. Prepare and I studied sometimes I felt very unsure because some man two birds and throw me cried. Book went to assignment, time arrived, I managed to just advise it. Credit to pass the year, that's why I don't like. The subject is why more anecdote time with my passages of I am even paying currently in the university where I'm going to set subjects relation to mathematics and it know my locating both where I'm tolerant and human base and understand it to the subjects because it tells you I retiration okay. Mathematics is not my forte. Science is a subject where I have money and shortcomings when I come to solving an operation or taking an assignment. I find